Hello, I'm Angela Martin and welcome once again to Digicape Training Online. And in this session we'll be looking at Keynote, which is Apple's own presentation application. Now, for those who have been using the previous versions of Keynote, would have noticed major cosmetic as well as minor functional changes within the new version. Basically, Apple have revamped the version 6 to streamline the workflow between the iOS and the macOS 10 platform. First of all, we look at the layout as well as the customization of our user interface. Next, we can look at how we can improve our operations with the customization of our slides as well as creating our own themes. Continuing on, we can look at how we can compact large amounts of data with the use of objects. Next, we will look at how we can utilize media to improve our presentation performance. Next, we will look at presentation options as well as presenter tools that are available with our application. And lastly, we can look at the ease of collaboration of Keynote with the use of sharing as well as exporting tools. Now, for those who don't have Keynote installed or have the older versions installed of Keynote, can look at our installation of Keynote video within our training videos. However, if you do have Keynote installed, then let's get started with the user interface. Now, when we start up Keynote, it takes us directly to our theme chooser window. In our theme chooser window, we have 30 different themes from which we can build our presentation. Each theme consists of its own font, background, as well as layout. Now, on top of our theme chooser window, we've got the standard and wide button. These buttons refer to the aspect ratio of our themes. Now, if I should click on the wide button, it will basically just take me into the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is generally used with high definition displays as well as projectors, which I can see on my themes being more rectangular in shape. Other than if I choose the standard option, it will basically change it into the 4:3 aspect ratio. For now, we'll keep it under the standard option. We'll choose the white theme and we simply click on the choose button, which is located at the bottom right hand side of my theme chooser, and it will select that theme and take me directly to the designer view. Now, in our design view is basically where I'll build my presentation. Now, before we start building our presentation, let's first look at the layout of the interface. So now to start off, let's look at the menu bar, which is the bar located at the top of my screen and basically consists of all the functions that I can utilize within my application. Just below the menu bar is my toolbar, which consists of different tools. Now, I can also customize the toolbar by adding in additional tools or even take away the ones that I don't use on a frequent basis. Further on, I've got my navigational bar, also referred to as my sidebar, as well as my inspector, which is the bar located on the right hand side of my application. Now, in our next movie, we'll look into more detail into the navigational bar, also looking at the different views that are coupled with the navigational bar. So thank you for watching this edition of Digicast with me, Angela Martin. Until we speak again, goodbye.